friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and now I will be making air fryer French toast. To make air fryer French toast, first we're going to cut those 2 slices of bread into triangles, and I'm doing this so I can fit bread in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And now we will mix half a cup of milk, and 1 egg. And I will whisk it with a fork to blend. And now let's spray the air fryer basket with a cooking spray. This is so the French toast doesn't stick. So I will take cooking spray and spray the bottom of the air fryer basket. The next step would be to dip bread into milk and egg mixture on both sides. And I will put it in the air fryer. And let's do the same with the remaining 2 pieces. I'm going to do my best to fit them in a single layer. There you go, they all fit. And I will sprinkle it with cinnamon. If you'd like, you can also sprinkle it with sugar. And now let's put it in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now when 5 minutes are up, we need to carefully flip our French toast. So let's take out the basket. And let's carefully flip the pieces. Because the top is cooked and the bottom is not, so we need to cook the bottom. And let's put this back in the air fryer, again at 375 degrees for 5 more minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our French toast. It's so nicely browned, looks so good. Now I'm so looking forward to eating this French toast. Let's put some maple syrup on it. Looks so good. To print this recipe and to see other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Hope you enjoy this French toast, and I'll see you next time.